Hi, and welcome to our 11 Plus Summer Booster Course 2025. My name's Adnan Khan and I'm the founder of Adnan Khan Tutoring, an organization that has been successfully operating for over 25 years. I'm excited to announce the launch of our 11 Plus Summer Booster Course for 2025. The 11 Plus Booster Course will be starting on the 4th of August and will last the whole month up until the 29th of August. The course will take place every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. With 3 sessions a week from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m, we are here to support your child with daily mock exam practice. We've designed this 11 Plus Booster Course to help your child prepare and score 85% and above in the exams for successful admission to a grammar school in your area. We will cover live lessons and provide high-quality resources and expert guidance in this 4-week booster course. We offer quick access to top-quality resources, a structured schedule, and small group lessons for personalized attention. With daily live mock tests, real live tutor feedback, and cost-effective online revision, we ensure intensive 11 Plus preparation from home. The Summer 11 Plus online booster course focuses on the 5 key exam areas: maths, English, verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, and vocabulary. Your child will attend 3 weekly sessions on a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Every 2-hour lesson includes live mock tests, followed by instant checking by tutors and explanations of the questions solved by students. After completing the 4-week summer booster course, you will receive detailed feedback and earn a certificate of achievement. This booster course is perfect for students looking to cover the curriculum quickly or refine their skills for the upcoming 11 Plus exams. Call us now to join our 11 Plus Summer Booster Course and give your child the preparation that they deserve. Thank you.